Christian, thank you for reprimanding Mark Cruz to stop posting about against Rodrigo Duterte about the F word. Because Mark Cruz apologized to Duterte family. It's not really say you are wrong when you apologize. Me, I was wrong that I accuse Teacher May because she is very sick. She has stage 3 colon cancer. That was last in July that my mom scolded me at the time, and I said, I will never do that to Teacher May because she is very sick. Mark Cruz, I say to you, respect the elders, respect the senior citizen. Like me, I respect the senior citizen, Nanay Banji, Mami Ellen, I respect Nanay Ningning. I always respect them. But for you, Mark Cruz, do not post any political affiliation, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You do not know what you're talking about. For me, I am not posting political. I'm not posting nonsense in Instagram, even threads. So I'm not posting that too much political. I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, we are autism. You should not post anything nonsense. I say again, if you categorize as autism spectrum disorder, they never post about politics. Either Danmar, Cedric, they never post politics. Me, I've never post about politics in Instagram threads. No. In threads anyway, in Instagram, I always say about that movie of Call of Duty film directed by Peter Berg. I always update that movie. But politics, I never related that. Either I say before, I'm not sided with the Marcos loyalist. I'm not sided with the Kakampink. I'm not siding to anybody or any political color. I am non-partisan. I say again, Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. I say to you, why I bash you in Instagram threads? You are wrong. Because you are not special. You are not autism. You are antisocial personality disorder. If we are special or autism, if we are like for example, autism never post anything, nothing, I'm just saying to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, stop posting nonsense. Do not relate it to about political affiliation. Because why I message Jared Dino in Instagram, not Instagram threads, in Messenger in Facebook. I told to Jared that Mark Cruz should be non-partisan. And tell to Christian Miguito, refrain about posting politics. Lemon, get downstairs.
Downstairs, honey?
Okay, let's continue. I am not related to politics, any political color. Because you will deserve that you have no friends, Mark Cruz. Juan Carlo Pabale, Ryan Chris Lucero are criticizing you. You are a bully. Can you just stop posting politics, Mark Cruz? Look at Teacher Jessa. She never posts politics. Because she joined with Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano and Jeric Silva. That they are non-political. Teacher Ruti Barrientos never posts politics, because she is non-partisan. Everyone there are non-partisan. And I'm telling you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, in my YouTube vlog, like I was told by Kuya Bear, it's really different perspective. You have to be non-partisan. You know that, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz? Non-partisan, you do not know you're talking about. If my relative, if Ate Isa read this, Mark Cruz, about against Duterte, she will bash you. Because Ate Isa and Nanay Net, they are pro Duterte, Mark Cruz. Who were pro Duterte? Si Jeric Silva, that was his friend, Joseph Maspinas, even among them who were pro Duterte is Kuya Park official, they will angry at you, Mark Cruz, because Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, the Duterte supporters, they're criticizing you, they're complaining at you. People there are complaining at you, because like I was told for me, I never want to politicalize Teacher Kel or Eskel Penumbra because they are non-partisan. They are not related to politics. If I were say to you, Mark Cruz, go to church and apologize your sin. Apologize your mistake. As I'm a Shia Muslim, I never talk about political affiliation, political color. I am non-partisan. And I am telling you, Mark Cruz, you better to behave yourself. Because you are wrong. How many times I've been telling you, from Shania Kiana to Jeric Silva, me, even my good friend Kuya Bear and Kuya Park official. How many times I've been telling you, stop posting about politics. You didn't listen. And you say an F word at Rodrigo Duterte, that's disrespectful, Mark Cruz. You don't respect the senior citizen. Like me, I respect senior citizen, Nanay Banji. I talked to Nanay Banji about the chicken inasal. I respect it. If I were you, Mark Cruz, be respect. More respect to others. If Christian Mengito says to you, be more responsible and using social media, respect to others, you should never say bad words. That's why you are wrong, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. That's why I never argue with Roylan Marlang. Roylan is anti-Duterte. Me, I'm pro-Duterte. We have our own perspective and opinion. Because like Kawali Coronel said to me, I am not siding with Marcos loyalists. I'm not siding with Duterte supporters. I am neutral. Non-partisan. And I say again, Mark Cruz, be non-partisan. There's no anything about perspective, about political color. Non-partisan. Listen to Kawali Coronel said, last 2021, in pandemic, that he's a Muslim, who is Shia, who was founder of Kawal ng Inclusion. He said to me, let's be non-partisan, let's be neutral. O, the kawal na inclusion na I'd said it, neutral, non-partisan. When I argue with John Dan Ramirez, that me and Terra Francisco, we're always stopping John Dan Ramirez. And he's fighting over at me. I said, what is neutral? Neutral. Neutral means non-partisan. Not picking any side. This is what I gotta say to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Be non-partisan, be neutral. And first of all, be kind to others. Be perspective to others. If I were you, Mark Cruz, don't be such a bully. And kay Shania Kiana, she talks about the news about Rodrigo Duterte. She talks about the news about current events. We talk about the started up relationship with RJ Gonzalez from CDIFI. We always talk about that. I say to Shania Kiana, just reprimand Mark Cruz not to post any political posts in Instagram threads, because I'm telling him it's nonsense. I'm okay that Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, he posts about Jurassic Park, Fast the Furious, JDM cars, whatsoever. Because I know this guy, he's posting political. That's not good to him. Unlike you need to be non-partisan. Because Juris is not posting about political, he's non-partisan.